A pleasant day, everyone. I'm Evan Rezulita from BSA 1D. Today, I will be discussing the patterns in nature. What is pattern in nature? Pattern in nature are repeated shapes, structures, or designs that we see in the natural world. They are ways that nature organizes itself following mathematical or scientific rules. For examples, spirals, incisions, sunflowers, and galaxies. Symmetry in butterflies, flowers, and snowflakes. Fractals, repeating shapes in trees, ferns, and lightning. In short, patterns in nature are the visible order behind how things grow, form, and behave in the world around us. Patterns is full of hidden codes. From symmetry of a snowflake, patterns reveal the beauty and order in a natural world. Today, let's explore the fascinating patterns found in nature and hear from people about how they see and understand them. Good day, everyone, especially to you, sir. By the way, my name is Evan Rezulita from BSA 1D. Can you state your name and program, sir?
Good day everyone, I am Sabinar Arbacorza from BSAF 2A.
Okay, sir, I have a question for you. Why do you think nature has so many repeating patterns?
Nature has many repeating patterns because many natural processes follow a consistent physical and mathematical rule, causing a similar shape and structure to appear again and again. For example, spirals in galaxies in shells, branching in trees and rivers, or even wave patterns in water. All forms due to forces like growth, gravity, and motion in and motion in a regular and predictable way.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Yes, sir. By the way, my name is Iban Ray Bizurita from BSA 1D. And can you state your name and program, sir?
Sure. I am Luis Martin Tante from BSHM.
And I have a question for you, sir. Why do you think nature has so many repeating patterns?
Why do you think nature has so many different patterns? Nature has many repeating patterns because I believe they are the easiest and most stable ways for things to grow, move, and also survive.
Thank you so much, sir. Good day, everyone. This is my third interview. By the way, can you state your name and program, sir?
My name is Nico Bihinelia from BS Alve.
Okay, I have a question for you. Why nature has so many repeating patterns?
Natures simply have patterns, and it also have simple rules that will work. And when these rules were repeated, they create patterns, patterns, and it can save energy, stay balanced, and also to help the nature's growth. And when there's a repeating patterns in nature, it can also be an inspiration to get or to so that people will use it to make an inspiration things or object.
Thank you so much, sir. One of the most famous patterns is the Fibonacci sequence, where each number is the sum of the two before it. This creates spirals we see in sunflowers, pine cones, and seashells. Another is fractals, patterns that repeat at different scales, like in ferns, trees, and even lightning. And of course, symmetry, which appears in sunflowers, animals, and flowers. This creating balance and beauty. Patterns in nature are more than just visuals. They are the language of life. They connect science, art, and mathematics. And they remind us of the harmony present in the world around us. So next time you walk outside, look closely. The universe is full of repeating wonders waiting to be seen. Thank you.